What's up guys, this is day trading review number 4 and today we're green again. So today's the third day, third green day streak, which is good to see. I'm up 100 bucks on the day, small green day, and traded about 7,500 shares with 22 executions. Definitely didn't overtrade today, gave chances whenever I saw the opportunity, and there just weren't that many today. So here, for example, I traded 50 shares, 50 in, 50 out, and here 200 shares, 300 shares, small trades today. Today the main focus was TBLT. So for my first trades were at 743, and the pre-market moves were very clean actually. So in here, I got in as it broke the pre-market high, and on the next candle it kind of retested that level. It went below a little bit, but then it held that 315 quite solid. So I decided to take an entry at 315 for 1,000 shares. It ramped up to 319, had a slight pullback. It held the 313 level, so it retested the pre-market high and then ripped higher. So in here I was actually debating whether I should add another 1,000 shares for this trade. I didn't end up adding because I wanted to mitigate risk, just in case if it was to break down. But it didn't, and I decided to take I decided to take 3/4 of the position for 5 cent profits. For 5 cent profit on 7,500 shares, and then scaled back down at 328. So on and held through the first micro pullback, the 1 minute pullback, and then as I saw it break on the next candle, I decided to take another entry at 332. So I added another 1,000 shares to my current 150 share position for the next leg up. It ended up hesitating a little bit, which is why I sold at 333. But in hindsight, definitely sold a bit too early, and definitely could have made another 10 cents on that. So for the next trade on TBLT, I took a small position at 325 for 300 shares. And I completely forgot about the ADFN orders at 8 a.m. that go through. So that kind of threw me off, and it made the chart a lot harder to read. I just decided to cut it at 330 for a 5 cent winner. So that was a nice little trade, and in hindsight, it was good that I cut it there because it ends up retracing all the way back to 315. So overall today, decent trading, not many opportunities, and I don't think I missed out on many moves. It was good that I sized down today, didn't use max size on anything, and just a good small green day. I just want to also apologize for the audio quality, because I know sometimes you can hear some crackling sounds on the audio, and it's quite uncomfortable. I don't like the sound of it either, but I think there's something wrong with my microphone or something. So I'm gonna try and get that sorted as soon as possible.